Okay, so question one, fill in the blank. 25 degrees and what are complementary? So what's funny, I think they spelled the word complementary wrong there. Some professor contributed that, who's clearly a math teacher, not an English teacher. They spelled the word wrong. Did they? Or maybe I'm spelling it wrong. Is it really spelled with an I? Anyway, I don't know. Maybe I'm showing my own lack because it's spelled the same way up there. Maybe I spelled it wrong too. Maybe it was me. Yeah, it's with an E, right? Yeah. Anyway, here's the notes. If you come back to the notes, the exam one notes that are on the top of the Unit 1 module, you'll come on down and there's the definition right there for complementary angles and supplementary angles. Just above perpendicular line, just right below the diagram of all the regular polygons. So there it is. So in fact, let me just put it right on this page for us right here. If I can do that. There it is. All right, yeah. So complementary angles add up to be 90. Supplementary angles add up to be 180. In other words, complementary angles make a right angle together, don't they? So like maybe one of them will be like 30 degrees and the other one will be 60. Together, they make 90. That's complementary. And then supplementary, they make 180. So they make a straight line. Say like maybe one of them will be, I don't know what that is, maybe 50 and the other's 130. So those would be supplementary angles. They together make 180, make a straight line. So that's the main theme for today is complementary angles and supplementary angles. Angles that add to be 90, angles that add to be 180. Okay, so with that in mind, let's come back. Question number one. It says fill in the blank. 25 degrees and what are complementary, spelled wrongly. I'll have to fix that. Even my title spelled wrongly. Anyway, how do we fix that? Well, not fix that. I'm sorry. I'm focused on fixing the spelling. How do we solve this problem? What am I going to do?
You just do 90 minus 25.
There we go. That's what you do, right? Just subtract from 90 degrees, huh? And we get, what do we get? 65. So whatever one you have, just subtract from 90 degrees to get the other angle because they are complementary. Now let's go on to number two right away because it's the same thing, isn't it? 36 and what are supplementary? Well, as we saw in the definition down here, supplementary angles add to be 180. They make 180, they make a straight line. So therefore, if one of them is 36, I'm going to subtract from 180 to find the other. So whatever your calculator tells you there, mine's coming out 140, 144 on that. Yeah, so those two are pretty easy, right? Complementary angles add up to be 90. So take the first angle, subtract from 90. Supplementary angles add to be 180. So take the first angle and subtract from 180 to get the other angle. There we go.